Hello friends. Is your car struggling to accelerate, misfiring, or stalling unexpectedly? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows code P0287, you might be dealing with a fuel injector issue in cylinder 9. Ignoring this can lead to loss of power, poor fuel economy, and even long-term engine damage. But don't worry. In this video, we'll explain what P0287 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0287? P0287 stands for cylinder 9 injector circuit low. This means that the fuel injector for cylinder 9 is receiving lower than expected voltage or fuel pressure, causing fuel delivery issues. Common symptoms of P0287: check engine light on, rough idling or engine hesitation, reduced acceleration and power loss, poor fuel economy, hard starting or engine stalling, and fuel injector clicking noise missing. If left unresolved, this can lead to engine misfires, excessive emissions, and possible engine failure. To diagnose and fix P0287, inspect these critical locations. Cylinder 9 fuel injector located near the intake manifold or cylinder head, connected to the fuel rail. Fuel rail pressure sensor, mounted on the fuel rail, monitoring pressure levels. Injector wiring harness, runs along the engine bay, supplying voltage to the injector. Engine control unit or ECU, found in the engine bay or under the dashboard, controlling injector timing. Fuel pump and pressure regulator, located in the fuel tank or along the fuel line, responsible for fuel supply. A problem in any of these components can trigger P0287. Common causes of P0287 include faulty fuel injector. The injector may be clogged, damaged, or leaking. Low fuel pressure. A failing fuel pump or pressure regulator can cause weak fuel delivery. Shorted or open injector wiring. Corroded or broken wiring can lead to low voltage. Another potential cause of the P0287 code is a malfunctioning ECU. The engine control unit might not be sending the proper signals to the injector. Also, a dirty or clogged fuel filter could be restricting fuel flow and causing low fuel pressure. Alright, let's dive into how to fix the P0287 code. First, inspect and replace the cylinder 9 fuel injector if it's clogged or faulty. Next, check the fuel rail pressure sensor and replace it if necessary. Finally, inspect the injector wiring harness for any corrosion or damaged wires. Moving on to the final repair steps. Test the fuel pump and pressure regulator to ensure proper fuel delivery. Then, replace the fuel filter if it's clogged. And don't forget to reset the ECU with an obd2 scanner after making all the repairs. So, in conclusion, P0287 is a fuel injector circuit issue that affects cylinder 9 and can lead to poor performance and engine misfires. Fixing it early will improve fuel efficiency and prevent costly repairs down the road. Want to learn more about fuel system issues? Watch these next videos: P0249, turbocharger wastegate solenoid A low, and P0250, turbocharger wastegate solenoid A high. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.